Hello guys, welcome back to part 3 of this video. Today we're uploading draft and what we would get if we were to sim the next season. So let's see, we're also doing a new off season, so let's see our available free agents. Tim Patrick, T.Y. Hilton, I may go after Tim Patrick, pay him a ton, just because I want him to sign. T.Y. Hilton, uh, I'll give him a bag. It's the last season. I have a ton of cap. Let's see here. Let's sim this. Let's sim. Those are the only good guys, really. Um, let's see here. No. Um, let's see. Banana. Let's check out who's available and see who we're gonna draft. Because yeah, Jalen Waddle. Let's finish scouting him. Late first rounder. To draft board. Let's get Amon-Ra. He's good right now, so I want to see him. Pat Fryermuth, he has to be decent, okay? Center Creed Humphrey, he's been doing really well. Like, I mean really well. If you guys seen him on the Chiefs, he's a stud. But yeah, Chris Olave, he's second rounder. Chuba Hubbard, fifth, but worth a second. I don't really have a top picks at all. I mean, Corey Carter's decent. So, Chris, Chris Olave, he is so cracked, like, right now. QB, let's see our available QBs. Justin Fields. Just so you know, I did not make this draft class. This is made by someone else. Let's try Mac Jones, though. Oh, he sucks. Halfback, maybe? Because I really like drafting halfbacks. I have no idea why. Michael Carter. Okay, he sucks. Chuba Hubbard. Nice. I love Chuba Hubbard. Yes, I didn't know why he's so good in this draft, but I don't really care. Let's see. Hold up. Let's see. Let's see what who's getting this 5th-year option. We'll say yes. We'll say yes, for sure. I mean, I don't really care. Shit. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, let's do it. Picked up the 5th-year option. Yes. Okay, let's see here. Let's sim to the next weeks of off season. For sure. Let's get the scouting points in. And next week is the NFL draft. Na. So, let's see here. Kyle Pitts, he could be really good. Late first rounder. I want that. Let's see. Left tackle. Penei Sewell's really good. D tackle, no. Left outside, no. No. I need left outside. Strong safety. Kicker. I'm spending all my money on the kicker. Chad Tuner's in early first. Bro, we are so gonna draft him. Let's see. Let's exit out of that. Let's go to next week. I am hoping I still have got points, but I'm pretty sure in Madden 21 that you don't. Let's see. Nope. We don't really need to view our free agency, but team is decent. let's see. Let's just try to get some trades done before this. So, what do we need? I want to trade away, baby. Not DK. Not Josh. I mean, I only have 3 and a 7. We're gonna trade away our future picks. Because I want to create the best team possible this season. Or next season. And it doesn't really matter. Curtis Samuel. Hmm. Oh yeah, we got Trent Williams in free agency. I forgot to mention that. Oh, I lost the footage for that, like I always did. Curtis Samuel, I lost the footage for. This is future me currently because I have to record afterwards. So if it sounds really weird, it's because I record after. Because Xbox is like I play on a TV. I don't actually play on what I'm recording this on right now. And I cannot get the second pick. I thought they would be interested because they have maxed out. Let's see. No fans good. Any positional needs they have? Just gonna scroll through every position. Von Miller. I have an idea. If I get Von Miller, then I can trade him away. Oh my god. This has to be accepted. Why the frick is he invisible? But think about it. We just traded for him. Be close. Hmm. Let's see here. Let's try Matt Judon with it. Oh, nope. They don't like it. They're like, nah, nah, nah. Let it be, man. Yeah, I'll show you my final team and who I pulled in free agency because I lost some of the footage. Earl Thomas, I got him in free agency. There's a ton of big free agents. Let's see here. Not trade. Let's see. Third. That's declined. So we cannot get this pick, basically. Let's see. Let's start the NFL draft and we'll see. Let's pause it. Panay Sewell's first draft pick. Patrick Surtain is next. I mean, I could try to trade up with the Jags to get him. I want Micah Parsons so goddamn bad because he's a fudging god, you piece of dog. This year, yeah, I am done. Okay, let's see here. Von Miller is who we're trading for the third pick. And we'll give you 2 4s, maybe? I don't know. Go to left. Because I have 2 ones that I don't need. We'll keep Matt Milano. How about this? I'll give you all left outside linebackers for that pick. No! Let's just hope that Micah doesn't get picked. Kyle Pitts. Do we risk it for the biscuit? To get a lesser pick? Risk it! And it pays off. I feel like we're gonna have to trade with the Jets. If we don't get this, then we trade with Dolphins, and that's in division trade. For the Jets, and Jets won't be happy, so we'll just threaten them with a Glock, you know? Hey, YouTube monetizers, that's just a joke, please. Please monetize me and give me the 4,000 hours of watch time. No way, bro. Oh god, half of my footage. Oh my god. Half of my footage just got corrupted. Um, we'll give you Trent Williams. Oh no, you have to give us more. Who's your left tackle? Becca. Give me his ass. He is young. I love this team, bitch. I'm him. I'm 100% him. Okay, let's go get Micah Parsons. Let's get Travis Etienne. Devontae Smith could be a good option. We're gonna narrow down. I might read. Let's organize this a little bit. Boom. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and go draft Micah freaking Parsons. I bet you he's gonna be like a 92 overall. I guarantee it. Guarantee it. Why does it say our offense is so trash? It's actually goated. Let's see. 82 overall. That's insane. He's the number one traffic, and we got him at what, 5? And Micah Becca. He was a really young player and good. Trent Williams is old. San Francisco 49ers picked him up. He has been good there. Let's see here. Let's go third round, and let's see. I risked it. I could have gotten him. I forgot about the goddamn center. Oh my god, no, no, no. Let's see. We could get shoot. Oh no, the running back. He's off the board too. I don't want to trade down. I could draft Chris Olave or Michael Carter. Chuba Hubbard. Those are the only two. Chuba. Let's draft him early because he's 7. Or let's draft Chris Olave. He's an. Let's draft Chuba as backup running back, you know? Let's see. By the way, guys, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments who won the Seattle versus 49ers game. I have recorded this before this, right? But I am. I just have not posted it yet, and I know it's after that. However, I didn't do it, and it's for a good reason, because I'm a piece of shit. I had some of my shorts scheduled for certain times already, because I don't, like, some days I just decide to make 15 different shorts. Other days I decide to make 0, so I just schedule them, so then I don't have to. We're gonna draft a kicker. God damn it, they don't want him. Let's see here. They'll accept it. Let's see. Let's go Panthers. I want Panthers 4 so I can get the kicker or someone. Let's see. You guys don't want 270s for the 4th? Let's see. Terrence Marshall is selected. Let's go with our kicker because I don't want him to be drafted. I know he's projected to go in 7th, but he is insane. Look, we just got a better kicker than our other kicker. This dude's a 78 overall, and he's insane. I may lose that on Chuba. However, I don't give a shoot. I like, yeah. By the way, guys, I have a very good joke for you now that your YouTube monetizers have left. If she's 2, you know what to do. Remember that quote. If she's 2, you know what to do. Or or this one. Remember this one too. If she's a 3, give her that D. I'm just joking. Don't take this any offense. Let's draft Davis freaking Mills. He was a 5-star in high school. And he's a mid quarterback, I would say. Like, you cannot really blame him for every single problem. I mean, the problem is they have a trash quarterback, him, but the problem is, mainly, in my opinion, Texans are trash. Their coaching is trash. I mean, look at him. He was actually really, really good in college. They need better coaches to be able to develop those players, because they don't know how to develop their players. Let's see. So, this is our final team, baby. So, at quarterback, we have Josh Allen, Micah Becca, who is superstar dev. Don't know how to say his name, but he's the left guard that's good. Morse. I don't know how to say his name. Dion Dawkins. He's good. Will Disley. He's our only guy that's like below. I mean, he's pretty good. Tyler Lockett is amazing. DJ Dallas. I love you, bro. You're actually really good. Josh Allen again. QB. Chris Carson. Sad that you got hurt. Will Fuller the third is our wide receiver 3, and DK is our wide receiver 1. Let's put KJ right out because he's gonna not develop. Let's put Micah Parsons in. Let's try to get Matt Milano. I don't know. So that's our defense. Our defense is really good. Overall, we are an 85 overall team with an 87 offense and 84 defense. So hold on, let me show you the defense. So we got Micah Parsons, Ed Albert, Justin Simmons, Casey Hayward Jr., Jack Griffin, Bryce Callahan, Andre Dix, Judon, hold up, Jermaine Edmonds, I have no Dante Hightower, Micah Parsons, Matt Milano. So yeah, I mean, we also traded away some players. Like, for example, there's some of the footage I lost. Kicker, great. Punter, great. Everybody here is great. 95 to 100. God damn. He's going to be good. Let's see. Chris Carson, third running back down, or specialist, pretty good. Really love how it's going and looking. Let's put Dante Tyler as sub LB. Let's see here. Now, let's sim. If you guys have made it this video and this far, thank you. I'm surprised you're still watching it. This is kind of a long video, and with how little subscribers I have, I'm pretty sure none of you guys are like gonna watch it because YouTube isn't gonna monetize it no matter what. I'm not gonna go viral or anything. I just do it because I like making content for you guys. It may be crappy because I don't like. Yeah, I'm very lazy. But yeah. So thank you guys so much for the 81 subs. And subscribe to Shakeen69, or not Shakeen69 anymore, that was his username before. Shakeen Edits. He is one of my best friends at school. But yeah, he's pretty cool. He has good edits, and half his videos are pretty funny, to be honest. Like, he said, "That's my son." Like, you know, with the "That's my son" edit, he did Patrick Mahomes throwing like a sidearm, and then it said, "That's my son," and then it showed the clip of the snowball fight in Elf, where he's like diving and throwing all the snowballs at the kids because it looks just alike. It was really funny. Yeah, his videos are really good. It's CHIKEEN_EDITZ. You guys want to watch a good quality YouTuber, in my opinion. I mean, he may be one of my best friends, but I don't have a bias towards it. And probably I want to make a channel with him, a joint channel, or like I want to go to his channel because his channel is actually really good. He has a ton of like subscribers, and my thing is like I I like to make longer videos, shorts. I mean I have really good ideas that I could give him, and I'm fine with making a little bit of shorts, right? But he is better at it. In the long run, I think I would do better if I was over on that side. So let's see. At mid-season, I cannot see what that says. Hold up. I have no idea. Hold up. Okay, we are 6-2. It says. Let's sim to playoffs now. But like I was saying, he actually creates good quality edits, and yeah, that's just my opinion on it. If you're subscribed to me, you probably are like, what the frick? Yeah, he's way better than me. I was just subscribing to him. But anyways, besides that, that was not a paid sponsor, by the way. Hey, if anybody wants to sponsor me, I'm okay with it, except for any candy brains. Because Skittles are the best, and I am like Marshawn Lynch. I'm a Seahawks fan, and I literally have his jersey. But my favorite candy is Skittles. Hey, go Skittles. Skittles sponsor me. I'll do it for $0. I do not care. Any amount of money just to be. I want your sponsorship, please. I love you guys. Skittles. Okay. Anyways, Diego, or not Diego, my bad. Chicken Edits is great indeed. And if you want to join, like, I can go and make long videos while you make shorts. I would love that, bro. But yeah, Mike White is literally the GOAT, my boy. Does he have like a 91 Team of the Week card? Hold up, let me see. Looking up my Ultimate Team. I get bored. Oh shoot, my controller disconnected. I get really bored whenever it sims because it takes a while, so I just talk about random stuff. But yeah, go subscribe to Chicken Edits. Spelled it out before. And let's see what are. Oh, we're in the wild card. I'm pretty sure we're in the same spot as before, just not playing different. Or no, we were number one seed before. Oh yeah, our number one seed was great. But let's see if you playoff bracket, and we are the number 3 seed. I just want to see what seed we are. Saints are number 1 seed in NFC. Oh my god, and we are 11-5. We are an 85, 87, 84. So that will be the end of the video. Goodbye.